In this video, I'll show you two powerful and advanced ways to completely delete all viruses from your Windows 10 or 11 PC, even the hidden and stubborn ones. First, click on the Start menu and type Windows Security, open it. Then, from the left sidebar, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Now scroll down a little and under Current Threats, click on Scan Options. Here, you'll see multiple choices: Quick Scan, Full Scan, Custom Scan, and Microsoft Defender Offline Scan. This offline scan is the most powerful built-in virus removal feature in Windows. Unlike normal scans, it restarts your system and scans your PC before Windows loads, meaning viruses that try to hide or restart themselves can't run. Select Microsoft Defender Offline Scan, then click Scan Now. Your PC will restart automatically, and the deep scan will begin. It usually takes about 15-30 minutes, depending on your drive size. After the scan completes, your system will reboot back into Windows. Go back to Windows Security, and under Protection History, you can view the results and confirm any threats were removed. And that's it. If this helped, drop a like and let me know in the comments what kind of system issue you want fixed next. Stay safe and see you in the next one.